Hi, thanks for visiting my channel again. I have a new review. This one is an old model one, the Honda EU2000i. This one is Series 2013, but it's brand new. This one, it's you can see it's made in Japan. The new that they came out now is made in Thailand. This one is I think it's more better for me, because originally from Japan, it's lasts forever, and the long run of this time, it runs all night, super quiet, lightweight, easy to move, and they have a good smooth current when you use your, most especially your sensitive electronics. So let's go. I want to try this one in my washing machine. This one is mechanical, not the electronics one. So they have, I think, a big wattage than the electronics. So let's try if this one is hold up right, and if we can handle this kind of mechanical washing machine, which is the Whirlpool. Alright, let's go try it. And before we start, I'm gonna show you something. Alright, let's go. So before I start, I just open the box and then I open the panel, this panel. I take off the cover. I just want to show you, I have a brand of do cooler. This one you can count the hours, so how many hours you run your generator. I used this one before there's already 2.3 hours. So I just gonna start the 2.3 so that I know when it's time for oil change. So you can see it's new. The label is right there, and it says no oil in engine. So when you get this one, it's no engine. Now I'm gonna put some oil here and gas there. I'm using the second row for the gas tank gasoline station, because they said if you get the special one, it's the engine, it's like very hot. I think the second one is more cooler for the gasoline station. It's like 87%. Let's proceed to final testing of this one, if can run the old model washing machine. Let's go dive to this review. Using the Honda generator EU2000i, I tried to work on my washing machine. You see, they can handle it well. So have you heard the humming of the motor? It's working well. So it's spinning right now. See, that's the proof. This one, it runs the regular washing machine. My washing machine is not electronic. It's old model. It's more on mechanical. So this one is an old model too, but it's new. It's made it from Japan. I can see in the back. So the cycle of the washing machine is almost over. So that's how it sounds, how loud it is. So if you're very close, that's the usually decibel of this one. See, there is still a label here, how to do the oils. And hopefully you like this video. See you next time, and thanks for watching. God bless. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.